Are you tired of juggling multiple cooking appliances for different meals? Looking for a versatile kitchen tool that makes cooking, cleaning, and entertaining easier? Look no further than this Presto 07117 12-inch electric skillet with glass cover. In this review, we will dive deep into the features of this handy electric skillet and explore why it's quickly becoming a must-have for anyone who loves easy, convenient, and efficient cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, an aspiring chef, or someone who loves entertaining, this skillet is designed to make your life easier. So let's explore everything this kitchen powerhouse has to offer. Why choose the Presto Electric Skillet? Versatility at its best. The Presto Electric Skillet is not just for frying eggs or sautéing vegetables. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that allows you to roast, fry, grill, stew, bake, and even make casseroles. Whether you're making a hearty breakfast, preparing a family dinner, or hosting a weekend brunch, this electric skillet can handle it all. Imagine being able to cook your entire meal, from the main course to the side dishes, using just one appliance. You can even use it to prepare buffet-style meals when you're entertaining guests. With its ability to seamlessly cook a wide variety of dishes, this electric skillet gives you the ultimate flexibility, saving time, that energy in the kitchen. Durable, stylish, and functional design, the Presto Electric Skillet comes equipped with a tempered glass cover, which adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The Stay Cool handle ensures you can monitor your food without worrying about burns or accidental slips. The glass lid is also perfect for buffet-style serving, keeping your dishes hot while offering a clear view of the food inside. Beyond aesthetics, the design of this skillet features high sidewalls, which means greater cooking capacity. You can cook large batches of food without worrying about overcrowding, making it perfect for family meals or dinner parties. Plus, the built-in pour spout doubles as a spoon and spatula rest, adding a level of convenience to your cooking experience. Non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. One of the standout features of the Presto Electric Skillet is its premium non-stick surface. With a non-stick coating both inside and out, cooking is a breeze. You don't have to worry about food sticking to the surface, even when you're making delicate dishes like fish or pancakes. But the benefits don't stop there. This non-stick coating also means easy cleaning. No more scrubbing stuck on food. Just a quick wipe down or a spin in the dishwasher, and your skillet is ready for the next meal. For those who prefer low-maintenance kitchen tools, the non-stick surface is a game-changer. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing and hello to effortless meal prep and cleanup. Precision cooking with automatic temperature control. Cooking at the right temperature is crucial to achieving the perfect meal, and the Presto Electric Skillet makes this easier than ever. The Control Master Heat Control automatically maintains the ideal cooking temperature, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly every time. Whether you're simmering stew or frying up some crispy chicken, you won't need to constantly adjust the heat or keep an eye on the temperature. This electric skillet does it for you. After you've finished cooking, simply remove the heat control and place the skillet in the dishwasher. It's as easy as that. The skillet is also designed for space-efficient storage, so it won't take up much room in your kitchen cabinets when not in use. Is the Presto Electric Skillet safe to use? Safety is always a top concern when using any kitchen appliance, and the Presto Electric Skillet takes that seriously. The Stay Cool handle ensures you won't burn your hand while lifting the lid, and the durable construction minimizes the risk of accidents. Additionally, the automatic heat control helps prevent overheating, making it a safer choice than traditional stovetop cooking. That said, it's important to note that this skillet does contain perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS. While the skillet itself is safe to use, it's a good idea to follow the manufacturer's care instructions to ensure its longevity and performance. Why you should buy the Presto Electric Skillet today. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and easy-to-use electric skillet that can handle all your cooking needs, the Presto 12-inch electric skillet is a clear winner. With its non-stick surface, automatic temperature control, and stylish design, this appliance will quickly become your go-to kitchen tool. Whether you're cooking for one, feeding a family, or hosting a gathering, this electric skillet ensures that meal prep is quick, efficient, and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.